called the Andrewing. Oh, I heard it click. So, I'm going to be reviewing the Mr. Coffee Keurig coffee machine thing. I'm going to be doing the donut shop coffee flavor. So let's see how this goes. So you open it up. Set it in. I think that's right. Then you press it. Okay, I'm doing it. Oh shit. Yeah, I'm just gonna do a 6 ounce. Okay, then you press on. And then you wait. Oh my god. You're gonna take up all my camera time. I don't want to turn it off because what if you do something? Anyways, the other flavors we have, there's French vanilla. I'm gonna save that for tomorrow morning. Decaffeinated Colombian. Newman's Special Blend. And the Nantucket Blend. They came in this box. This came in a box too. Brewing! Looks like diarrhea. I know I can smell it. Okay, there we go. Take this out. Unplug it. Is it hot? Yeah, it's hot. Smells like coffee. Oh, fuck, my glasses. I'm afraid it's gonna be hot. How do you drink hot coffee? I'm afraid it's gonna burn me.
You can add cold water to it.
I was gonna burn. It's strong.
Yeah, should have made it bigger cup. Add water to it.
Water?
Yeah.
Oh, that is strong. Couldn't I add like cream or something?
Yep, you can add whatever you want.
It's a little better. Good. Thank you. Okay, now we're looking for the cream.
Oh, we don't have cream. We gotta use milk. Grandpa doesn't buy cream no more. Sugar. Need a spoon to stir it. I used to drink cream and sugar in my coffee.
You just stopped?
Yeah, I got tired of running out of cream and sugar, so I decided, okay, just drink the black. Got used to it.
A lot better. This?
Yep.
Let's note that this isn't a KFC thing.
Well, they didn't have a sugar bowl.
That's gonna stick.
I would get a different spoon. You're gonna be doing the dishes tonight.
How much do I eat?
Oh, well, I'll try it first.
That's really good. Added a few things. Doesn't taste anything different than the regular coffee. They lied. I thought it was gonna taste like donuts.
Oh yeah, you made the donut one. Huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna make the French vanilla tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Alright, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Really good, easy, quick, not bad. Alright, give the video a thumbs up, and thumbs up, and subscribe, because I make videos every Friday.
Okay.
Bye.